Back-to-back hook and loop tape, also known as back-to-back hook and loop fastener or hook and loop cable tie, is a special type of hook and loop fastener. Its main feature is the hook and loop sides that are bonded together with PUR adhesive to create a back-to-back structure where the hook and loop are not on the same side. Back-to-back hook and loop provides a flexible option for choosing between hook and loop combinations, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. It is commonly used for fixing wires, cables, optical fibers, and optical cables to prevent line confusion or damage. It can also be used to fix plant supports, preventing plants from collapsing or shaking in gardening. They are also useful for cleaning and securing fabric products like curtains, sofas, and carpets in households. In the office, it can be used to organize and secure computer cables and headphones. In the medical, they are used to fix medical equipment, dressings, and bandages. Its strong adhesive properties and ease of use make it a versatile and widespread tool in many fields. Jiehuang has 24 years of experience in producing and processing hook and loop tapes. We can recommend material combinations based on our customers' usage needs. Our finished products can provide high temperature and high humidity resistance to yellowing, UV aging, constant temperature and humidity, thermal shock resistance, color fastness, durability, tensile strength, adhesion, color difference, and second dimension testing reports. We sincerely invite you to visit us for guidance.